Welcome back, continuing the news. Laboring during lockdown. For the first time, Labor Day was declared a no-movement day, with Prime Minister Andrew Holness urging people to labor at home. But how different was it this year? Kelesha Williams has that story.
Labor Day taking on a new meaning this year, with COVID-19 restrictions forcing people to stay home. In St. Elizabeth, residents took things to another level. From as early as 7 o'clock, they were out in their yards.
Normally, in the mornings, I tend to walk maybe 10 kilometers or so, go to Grace River. So, and I will have to go on the main. So as a result, I did not walk this morning, to stay in, start early, with my project.
And it seems they had their hands full. We were told the work here cannot be completed in one day.
Basically, we're just cleaning up, the front of the yard, right? Then we move towards the back. So we're removing some of the extra debris we have. That may have a mosquito and so on.
In St. Mary, rain delayed the early morning plans residents had to labor at home, but they were still adamant.
Well, this is my Labor Day project, because students have to stay in the yard and find something to do. Yes. That's why I made down my yard to do something.
So what is it you're doing now?
Spraying the grass with some Gramazone.
Used to go around and tie the L powders to keep the place clean. Otherwise, I do dressmaking. I was on my machine, but I decided to clean up my yard gate.
But in St. Catherine, residents were more upset about the projects they didn't get to do. For instance, in the community of Willowdean.
We wanted to highlight the pedestrian crossing because for the last year or so, the pedestrian crossing is invisible. We can't see it. Persons are trying to, the cars won't even give them a layaway for them to cross. And so because of this page of the Labor Day project, we're not able to do so because it's a no movement day and we don't want to break the protocols.
So now, with the uncertainties brought on by the pandemic, some residents say they will have to find ingenious ways to carry out major projects in their communities.
We will meet, and we have already met, and finding creative ways also how we'll get it done, because these are things that we needed. But we understand the circumstances, but Labor Day for us is not one day, it's every day.
Kelesha Williams, TVJ News.